art is directly and indirectly intertwined with people's lives. It will not be wrong to can it a gift of nature. Art makes our lives meaningful or help us to understand globalization. Or it is an essential part of our culture because it helps us to understand deeply and feelings of others. It makes people self-aware and influence mental development to gain experience and new ideas. In the same way, art also has an impact on the healthy health. Today, we'll know in detail about how art has an impact on the healthy health. Hello, ma'am. Namaskar. You have named this big event, Art for Health. Would you please tell us what about this?
Right. So Rangde Neela is the founding brand or a founding initiative for Art for Health. This is our third year. We were founded on 7th of April in 2022, which is the World Health Day. I am Dr. Amisha, and thank you for having me on your channel. My colleague, Dr. Rajiv Kovil, he is a practicing diabetologist, and we both work from a clinical setup. So there are few things that art can help in terms of health outcomes. So art can help people improve their health literacy. Art can help in prevention of ill health. Art can help one manage acute, chronic, and mental health conditions. And this is not what we are saying. This is what the World Health Organization is saying. There's a huge report, 148-page report, which is published in 2019, and there was a subsequent report which came in 2021. So based on these two reports, based on the case studies that are, they've compiled from across the globe, we started this initiative. So in the first year, we took doctors from across India to rural pockets where people are practicing tribal arts. So Gond, Madhubani, Varli, Dokra, Tanjore, and the doctors and artists worked together. They crafted a peacock. Now these peacocks, when they were crafted, the doctors got to experience the power or the therapeutic power of arts, and the artists got access to doctors, and the doctors could address their health doubts. So that is the first year. The objective was to kind of talk about art for health. In the second year, we made use of puppets. So we went to puppeteers, doctors and puppeteers worked together to create health awareness video. So now what was so interesting about these puppets? That the puppets looked like Shah Rukh and Kajol and Salman, and they spoke in the same quirky style. So Munna Bhai, a doctor became a Munna Bhai literally, and another doctor became Tanuja Trivedi of Tanuved Manu. And they started talking to each other, and they were discussing sleep apnea. But the dialogues were very much like what you see in the Bollywood films. So entertainment that comes from Bollywood, but the credibility of health education that comes from a doctor is what we did. We have these videos. Those videos are widely being used in public gatherings, in corporate. So that was what we did in the second year of our initiative. This is third year. What you see here is an Art for Health exhibition. We are trying to curate 100 health conditions and really powerful stories of people fighting those battles against cancer, against mental health, against liver disease, against regular health challenges like diabetes, managing diabetes. So people are battling different health conditions, and their journey from pain to recovery is what we've captured. So physical pain, emotional pain, the financial burden, the society response, all these were captured. A patient, a doctor, and the caretaker spoke about it over a recorded call, and that was given to an artist. And the artist has created these beautiful artworks. So please enjoy the show. Each story is very powerful, and they bring hope and positivity and courage. Because when you hear cancer for the first time, what you need is hope and courage to fight the battle against cancer. And this is what these art pieces are going to do. Second is, these art pieces are going to talk about how important the caregivers are. So if your mother is a caregiver, or your wife is a caregiver, your husband is a caregiver, how important that role is in the society. And third is, every canvas has some hidden medical message. So when you read carefully, the story will tell you something that will improve your health education. So thank you so much, and please enjoy the show.
Thank you so much.